Hi, Michael Thibault here with this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minutes. Done for you marketing systems, making you more sales with little to no work on your part. And I'm so glad you stopped by this week because what I'm going to talk about is something that's coming up really quick, right? In a couple of weeks. Black Friday. Black Friday is going to look a lot different this year. So if you own a restaurant, auto repair shop, or a retail shop, you're going to have to get a little creative. And what I suggest is driving them online. So if you're doing retail, that's probably pretty easy. If you have a Shopify store, or if you have your products on your website that they can purchase. If you have an auto repair shop, now would be a great time to run some specials maybe for future auto repair needs, like a oil change or tire rotation, those type of things, and give them a deal that they can buy a certificate online. If you own a restaurant, it's all about gift cards, right? And gift cards you can sell for any one of those different types of businesses. And things are going to look a lot different because people aren't going to be cramming the stores. There's not going to be any lines in front of Best Buy, Target, or Walmart, people elbow to elbow, right? Because the pandemic has changed things. But is Black Friday dead? Are people still going to be buying? You bet. And the major retailers are starting to advertise that right now. So get ready. This is what I wanted to show you as well. So last year, 2019, Black Friday sales were 7.4 billion online, okay? And Cyber Monday, the sales were 2 billion more, 9.4 billion. So it's not just about Black Friday. It is about online sales on Cyber Monday. In fact, they're bigger than those Black Friday sales. So what I'm predicting is the majority of that is going to be online all weekend long. So now's the time to plan to take advantage of that because it's using slipstream marketing and it's what's on your customer's mind right now. So there's some things that you need to pay attention to when you want to capture that business and beat your competition for Black Friday weekend, right? Like I said, encompassing Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So one of the things that you need to do is start early. Again, don't do your marketing in a panic. It never works out that way. So don't think that you can start marketing the day before Thanksgiving for your Black Friday. That should be one of your days that you're marketing, but you need to plan that out and start now. Let people know. Like I said, I was driving into work the other day and I already heard Christmas music and Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend specials. And this is the first week in November. So make sure you have a plan together and start early. Dig the well before you thirst. Remember that, okay? Because I want you to be successful with your marketing. Number two, don't get cheap, right? It's all about the deal. Your customers and potential customers have been trained over the years to look for deals on that weekend. So give them something that's special, something that's going to stand out from your competition, okay? So think about that and think about really crafting an offer that works for you, but is gonna give you a lot of attention. And I'll give you a couple ideas in a second. Or you can look down on the page and it's gonna give you some great ideas that are a little different than what you're used to when it comes to Black Friday. Feed a starving crowd. What I mean by that is your customers, like I said, have been conditioned to buy this weekend, right? They have fistfuls of cash waiting to spend it so they can check off that Christmas list and get those gifts. And people love to get gift cards, right? Don't make it hard for them. Don't make it hard for people to give you money. So make sure that your online store, your online website, and if you're physically mailing them the gift card or whatever it is, certificate, make sure that you have a plan in place and make sure that it's easy for them to navigate and give you money. Don't get complicated because if you do, people will click off and you'll lose that sale. So feed a starving crowd. They're ready to buy. They're ready to give you money. Just make it easy for them, okay? Also, a bounce back. Now, this is what I was talking about. If you're going to be selling gift cards, and I recommend that for restaurants, we have lots of clients that do that, you know, and have $30,000 online sale weekends for gift cards. But give them a bounce back. And the typical is you buy $50 in gift cards and you'll get a $10 bounce back card that you can use in the future. I like putting an expiration date on those. Get them back in, during the slow times, maybe in the month of January or February. Give them a short expiration date, 3 to 4 weeks for that promotional gift card. But why not try something a little different, right? Maybe enter them into a drawing. If you have a restaurant, maybe free dinner for a year. You just give them 12 gift certificates, one valid each month, or some other premium or prize that has a big perceived value, okay, that doesn't cost you a lot. And I do love bounce backs because you're procuring future business, getting them back into your business in the future, because you want to create a habit, a buying habit. That's why I love a bounce back. And also it's going to set you apart from your competitors. So put your thinking cap on and come up with something different. I just gave you an idea. Now, like I said, I love bounce backs, and there's still time. We're getting very, very close here to the deadline. So number one bounce back for restaurants in the entire world, the number one restaurant promotion, red envelope, no peeking. You guys know I do this for thousands of restaurants each and every year. We're the largest supplier of the no peeking red envelope promotion. You hand them out in December, your customers bring them back in January when you're slow. Be it carry out, works for dine in, works for delivery. That's why I love this promotion. So if you're interested and you haven't done it yet, please click the button below. Also, when you do click the button below, you can see this guy, a friend of mine, Tom from Sluggo Sports Bar in Brookfield, Wisconsin, 85 seats. He did the no peeking envelope promotion, and guess what? Increased his sales, $110,128 in the slowest month of the year for his restaurant. So if you click on the button below, you can check his story out and see exactly what he did to increase his sales over $110,000 in the slowest month of the year. Thanks so much for watching this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minutes, and don't forget, click the button below, and I want you to have a fantastic holiday season at your business.